everyone, I'm Michaela Delgado and welcome to Nelson University Chapel Highlights. Chapel is the heartbeat of our campus, the place we gather every week for anointed worship and inspiring messages. We were led by our own Nelson worship all semester long and heard from speakers around the world. Let's kick things off with a few of the lighter and funnier moments.
And if your friend has their phone out and is not taking notes, you have all power and authority to take your hand and slap it out of their hand.
You give God the Gen Z stare.
I almost swallowed the AirPod. And I go behind my car and I start going,
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday.
People are around me, I shake them off like Taylor Swift, I got them away from me.
It's me. Hi, I'm the problem. It's me.
But I'm cooked. My mother's Chinese, my father was Dutch. Put them together, they're a China hutch.
Hey, ooh, my watch says, it looks like you've had a hard fall. We're calling, oh no. I banged the podium and thought I fell. Anybody ever have that happen? That's because you ain't 62. Shut up.
A few moments later.
I'm so, oh, shoot.
You know the jarabe tapatio, the ones that the Mexicans dance? Okay, well, I was dancing.
I know I don't look like much up here with my bald head.
But I look good because black don't crack.
ASAP, yeah. Oh, buddy.
I was afraid of one thing. Not clowns. Clowns, you just punch them in the throat and watch them gag. It's okay, all right?
I'm still a little scared of beans, but that's besides the point.
Do you know what sacrificial animals are to other animals? Delicious.
I recognize that I'm spending a lot of time around chicken things. I am not trying to build the stereotype. Chicken's just good, guys. Chicken's good.
Heard some Holy Spirit cows in here.
But I feel like you guys really milked that for all it was worth.
The Holy Spirit wants to empower us to live this better way, and He does it through convicting us of not just what's wrong, but also what's missing.
God doesn't always call the equipped, but He does equip our call. That no matter what we call ourselves, the only call that matters is what God calls us.
Did not plant churches because he was strategic enough. It was the Spirit that empowered him, and you will not walk in your purpose because you're impressive enough. You must have the Spirit empowering and enabling you.
Let me tell you, God will bring you all of the benefits that you need. God will honor you if you honor Him first.
If Jesus, the King of Kings, had to live a life of humility before the Father, then what makes us think we can experience the fullness of the Lord's plan for us with a heart full of pride?
But there's a group, there's an army sitting here at Nelson University that's ready to say, God, make me the instrument. Fill me full of your Spirit. Let me take in everything that the men and women of God can deposit in my life. And when I go out, God, I'm going to live with that trusting spirit of integrity. I'm going to be discerning from what I learn and from what I hear from the Spirit. And God, I'm going to tell others about what you've done for me. You'll do for them.
Thanks for joining us as we wrapped up another incredible semester of chapel. Scan the QR code to share this video with your friends and family. And if you want to revisit any of the moments from today or the semester, you can watch every chapel on the Nelson University Chapel YouTube channel. We can't wait to be back with you in January for more uplifting worship and powerful teaching. Until then, have a wonderful Christmas and a joyful New Year. I'm Michaela Delgado, and I'll see you in chapel.